What's good, everybody on YouTube? This is your boy Akil McLeod, and I'm a full-time eBay and PoshMark seller. And today I want to share 20 menswear brands that sell for huge profit on eBay and sometimes even on PoshMark. So if you guys are interested in these kind of videos, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to the channel for more videos. So without further ado, let's get into it. Just as a quick disclaimer, this list is full of menswear brands that sell for high profit, and it's not full of these brands that we all see in the thrift store like old Ralph Lauren or old Tommy Hilfiger or like Pronto Uomo from Men's Warehouse. I'm not talking about any of those cheap brands. I'm talking about stuff that sell for high profit. That way, if you guys are interested in selling things maybe part-time or full-time, that way when you go to these thrift stores and you see some of these brands that I'm talking about, you can already know to instantly grab them up and inspect them for any damages, because these brands sell for high profit and they always sell well for me anytime I find them on eBay and sometimes even on PoshMark. So first up on my list is Alden, and Alden is a shoe company that makes wonderful shoes, and they last forever. And I sold maybe 10 or 12 pairs since I've been selling things on eBay. I don't usually find them often because, like I said, they last forever. So anytime people buy them, they usually hold on to them and get them resold or just polish them and clean them up. So anytime I found these shoes, they were usually pretty rough and they needed some polishing, they needed some cleaning, but I never picked any shoes up that needed it to be resold, because that's just too much work for the buyer and it will usually sit a very long time before it ends up selling. So if you guys see this logo, make sure you pick it up because it always sells well for me, and I never get less than at least $120. Another pair of shoes that always sell really well is Crockett & Jones. Now, Crockett & Jones, they make dress shoes and boots, and their shoes are very high quality and they also last a very long time. Unfortunately, I've never found any Crockett & Jones shoes in the thrift store, but I had a few friends that also sell online, and anytime they find them, they always sell well. And of course, I had to do some research just to see how much they were selling for on eBay, and they also sell very well for a lot of profit. So if you guys see Crockett & Jones, definitely pick them up because you can make a lot of money on those. Now, another brand to look out for is Canali. Now, Canali also makes shoes, but they don't sell for as much, at least for me. But in terms of their shirts and their blazers and their jackets, they always sell very well for me. So Canali is also a very good brand to be on the lookout for, and it's usually in the blazer section. So just make sure you're thumbing through and try to pull the ones that are in the best condition and the more modern styles. You don't want to pick up something that's too baggy or it looks outdated, because those usually sit for a very long time and the profit margin isn't as high. Another brand to be on the lookout for is Isaiah. Now, I found one Isaiah blazer since I've been thrifting and it had a hole in the back of it, so I still need to go to the tailor to get that fixed. But Isaiah also has very high profit margins. None of them on eBay sell for anything less than close to, I want to say, $100, as long as they're in good condition. So definitely be on the lookout for Isaiah blazers, and you can usually tell a high quality blazer just by touching it. Sometimes it's a very soft wool, sometimes it might be cashmere, sometimes it might be even alpaca. So anytime you're looking in the blazer section, you definitely want to make sure that you touch all the blazers and just get a good feel for it, because once you touch the quality, you'll be able to know if it'll sell high or if it's just junk. Another brand that always sells well for me on eBay is Incotex. Now, Incotex usually only sells pants. I haven't saw any shirts or any tops or anything like that, but Incotex, they always sell well for me, and the last pair I had sold a few months ago and I got about $80 for those, and they were used. So anytime you see Incotex, definitely pick those up as well. Ring Jacket is another great brand to be on the lookout for anytime you're in the thrift. Now, Ring Jacket is more of a higher end menswear brand, and if you was to find it in a thrift store, odds are kind of slim unless you're in a very wealthy area where men tend to pick up those type of stuff. I'm thinking somewhere like San Francisco might have some more of these type of brands, but Ring Jacket is also a very highly sought after brand, and it always sells for good money. Unfortunately, I never found any in thrift, but I'm very knowledgeable about the brand and I know it sells well. So if you guys see Ring Jacket, definitely be on the lookout for that. Boglioli is another great brand to be on the lookout for, especially when it comes to blazers and jackets. And Boglioli is an Italian brand, so a lot of their blazers are like linen or light cotton. So if you're in the blazer section, you definitely want to gravitate towards some of the linen fabrics just to see, because you never know, one of those blazers might be Boglioli or one of these other more expensive blazer brands that I'm telling you about. Now, Suit Supply is definitely one of my favorite brands to wear and favorite brands to sell. Now, it's definitely more of a modern brand because it's some of their stylings are a little more aggressive. It's a lot of bright colors and a lot of slimmer fits, but Suit Supply always sell well for me. I find shirts, I find shoes. I even sold Suit Supply ties before for at least 40 bucks. So anytime you're looking in the blazer section or dress shirts or even pants, definitely be on the lookout for Suit Supply because they have a lot of high margins as well. Now this is more on the vintage side, but Harris Tweed is a very good brand to be on the lookout for. Harris Tweed, they still make clothing to this day, and most of the time I find Harris Tweed jackets and blazers. Now anytime you're looking for Harris Tweed blazers, you want to make sure that there aren't any mouth holes, there aren't any rips or any stains, because like I said, I usually find them vintage, and anytime they're like 30 or 40 years old, they usually have some signs of wear, so you definitely want to inspect those to the best of your ability. Also, when it comes to Harris Tweed, a good way to spot it from a distance is usually because it's a very rough kind of coarse fabric, and it's definitely rough to the touch. So if you're thumbing through some of the blazers and you feel more of like a tweed kind of fabric, chances are it might be Harris Tweed, so definitely be on the lookout for that. Now I've spoke about this brand several times before, and this is one of my favorite brands to sell on eBay as well, and that's Untuck It. Untuck It has a lot of dress shirts and casual shirts, and I think they even sell sweaters as well. So anytime you see Untuck It shirts, like I said, make sure that there aren't any stains or any damage to it, but always pick up Untuck It because it always sells fast, and I at least sell them for anywhere between 35 and 50 bucks. Another great shirt brand to be on the lookout for is Mizzen and Main. Now sometimes in my area I might find a Mizzen and Main button-up shirt, or I might even get a Henley. But regardless of the style of the shirt, they always sell well for me, and I never get less than 30 to 50 bucks for them. So anytime you see Mizzen and Main, definitely pick those up. E-Tone is also another great dress shirt to be on the lookout for, and E-Tone, I used to find a ton of these when I lived in Northern California, but I don't usually find them as often, but they still always sell for me anytime I pick them up. Now, the larger shirts usually sell better for me, but it's a great brand, so I'm sure any size would do well, and I usually never get less than 40 bucks for those shirts. So if you see any E-Tone shirts, make sure you look out for that tag because they always sell well. Now, this is the only tie brand on the list, but Drake's ties are probably one of the best ties on the market to be on the lookout for when you're trying to sell them on eBay. Now, usually I see ties and I might pass on them because I know they take a long time to sell, but Drake's ties always sell very fast and they always sell for a lot of money. Now, how often do you guys know that you can sell a tie for at least $50? Now trust me, I know there's not a lot of tie brands out there that sell for that much, especially on eBay, but Drake's ties always sell well. So if you guys ever go through the tie rack, definitely be on the lookout for that tag because they always sell well for me. Salka is another one of my favorite brands to sell, and I literally only sold it twice. Now, the first time was a blazer, I think it was cashmere, and it sold for about 250 bucks. And the second time was a dress shirt that I sold last month for 40 bucks plus shipping. So anytime you see Salka, definitely pick that up because they always sell well. And they don't only just sell shirts and blazers, but they also have pants and other accessories like suspenders and braces. So definitely be on the lookout for Salka. Ketone is another one of my favorite brands to sell, and I hardly ever pick them up because they are so rare, and usually anytime people get them, they don't let them go. But Ketone is definitely a great brand to sell, especially when it comes to their jackets. Now, their jackets are very, very expensive, and usually anytime something sells for a lot of money in stores, it usually doesn't translate online, but Ketone definitely holds its value very well, and even if it's used, you can still fetch up to $200, maybe $300 for a jacket. Speaking of jackets, barber jackets are definitely one of the best brands to sell on eBay, especially during this time of the year. Now, since they're wax jackets, they usually have some specific cleaning instructions, so if you find them, I wouldn't throw it in the wash because you might damage it, but anytime you see barber jackets and it's not full of holes or rips, definitely pick that up because they always sell well for me. And sometimes you might get up to $200, maybe $300 depending on the overall condition. Now, in terms of bags, Filson is one of the best brands to sell on eBay. Now, Filson also sells coats and shirts and a ton of other stuff, but when it comes to their bags, that's one of the most profitable items, at least for me, to sell on eBay. So definitely be on the lookout for Filson bags, maybe jackets, and even shirts. Brunello Cucinelli is another great brand to sell on eBay because it's so expensive in the stores. I literally only sold this brand one time, and it was a dress shirt that I picked up, and it sold for $70. And if this shirt was brand new, I might have been able to ask for maybe 100 to 120 bucks. But like I said, the profit margins are huge, especially if you can get it for a good price. So definitely be on the lookout for Brunello Cucinelli. And also they have a lot of good sweaters, so if you're in the sweater section, especially during this time of the year, definitely be on the lookout for that brand because it always sells well. Sid Mashburn is another great brand to sell on eBay and on Poshmark. It's a smaller store based in Atlanta, but the quality is very high and it tends to have a huge following. So anytime you see Sid Mashburn, whether it's a blazer, even if it's a shirt, maybe it's a pair of pants, always pick it up because it always sells well. And the last Sid Mashburn item I had sold for about 150 bucks and it was a jacket. So definitely be on the lookout for Sid Mashburn. Now back to the blazer section. Another great brand that I always sell a lot of is Zegna, and some people say Zayna or Zagna or whatever you want to call it. And sometimes I even get $90 for a vintage blazer, and if it's more on the newer side, I might get it even $150, maybe $160, depending on the overall condition. So definitely be on the lookout for these blazers, and I'll make sure I show you guys one of the vintage tags and see what they look like, and show you one of the more modern tags. That way you know what to look out for. And like I said, even if it's vintage, still pick it up because it always sells well. However, there's a lot of these on eBay and on Poshmark, so it might sit for a little while, but trust me, it always sells well, even if it takes a little longer to sell. Now I know I tell you guys all the time that I don't sell a lot of Polo Ralph Lauren unless it's a huge size, but in this instance, anytime you see Ralph Lauren Purple Label or Ralph Lauren Black Label, definitely pick it up because the profit margins are huge on both of those. Now, just like the regular Polo Ralph Lauren, they sell just about everything, but a lot of the Purple Label and Black Label just has more of a luxury feel, and the fabrics they use are a lot higher quality. So if you see any Purple Label jackets or maybe a Black Label shirt, always pick that up because they still sell for good money. And the last Black Label shirt that I had sold for 50 bucks, and the last Purple Label blazer that I had sold for $200 on eBay. So if you guys see either one of them, Purple Label or Black Label, definitely scoop those up. Last but certainly not least, one of my favorite brands to sell on eBay that a lot of people don't really know about is Especi. Now, Especi has a lot of high quality jackets, blazers, shirts, and pants. And anytime I see them, I always grab it up. Unfortunately, the brand is such a luxury brand that anytime I find it, it's usually in good quality because the original owner took good care of it. So if you guys see Especi in your thrift stores or garage sales, always grab them up because it always sells well for me. Alright y'all, so that's all I have for today's video. So if you guys enjoyed that one, or if you learned any new brands, definitely smash that like button and even share it to some of your friends so we can spread the knowledge and just share the wealth. Also, I noticed in my analytics that I have a lot of female watchers out there, so this video was really for you all so that you all can know some of the menswear brands to be on the lookout for, especially if you're not really knowledgeable about men's clothing. So I hope you all enjoyed that one, and if you have any questions, definitely drop it in the comment section below and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. So I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.